incorporate a 3-inch driver here, and install a tweeter and install a crossover. So in the next episode, you're going to see us install a speaker and a tweeter up here, and then we're going to tackle the electrical, the power and the signal, and after that we're going to do the fun part, which is fabrication. My favorite part, going back in that wood room and make a big old mess, and the laser and the vinyl. I'll see you guys tomorrow. You're still filming me again. You keep doing that filming me thing after I'm done.